This is the second U-turn zone at Nambazan, and obviously some cars who cannot see this at night have probably climbed up that divider, the grassy knoll. You can see the skid mark. But luckily there is nothing or no post to bang here. You just end up damaging a bit of your car, and probably landed in the middle of that wide divider, land on the top of the grass there. Not so dangerous unless you are high speed and you fly through. So because of these reports of accidents, which the other one, the road concessionaire go and at least place this plastic barrier to warn the vehicles, the traffic, that this is a U-turn zone. But that plastic is not really visible at night because it doesn't have a reflector until you come very close to it. So a few days ago, I think that barrier was knocked down, it was flying on its side, but maybe the road concessionary go and turn it upright again. So it really needs some kind of reflector there, and if only I got a big sticker reflector, I'd want to paste it on it. It's very difficult to find those sticker reflectors in town. It's not easily available. So let's see. As you can see, there is a track there climbing into this divider. Luckily, there's no drain behind me. For this divider here, no drain. So for this location, if some idiot driver could not see this at night, come zooming from the straight road there, and instead of noting that like this guy, see, he notes that he curves to follow the fast lane because the fast lane is curving, while the entering this U-turn zone is a straight line like this guy is doing. Okay, but if some people on the fast train enters the U-turn zone, and instead of making U-turn, he goes straight into this, then he will end up climbing this grassy knoll, because there's still no reflecting signboard here to show that this is a U-turn. Okay, so temporary, those guys go and install the more or less a plastic barricade, and I'm sure it has been knocked down once. It's been knocked down once, and then they went and put it upright. So it really needs a sticker there, a reflective sticker, so it can be seen at night. Otherwise, I got a feeling that this area should be flattened here, and you should place the barrier on the top so that it can be seen clearly from far away. It's not even filled with water, so it's very light. Look at it, I can give it a kick and it just moves. See? But it is connected, the black one is connected there. So I got a feeling that somebody has already knocked this one at night. They should fill it with water if it is not punctured. After all, you can fill that with water to make it heavier. So even the wind can blow this down. A little red and white reflector there. Hopefully it can be seen at night. Wow. Hello, driver of this SK9525C smart ass. You didn't think I didn't notice you taking pics behind my car while I was busy making road safety videos? What's your point, eh? Don't try to deny it. I got eyes and I got video cam, and I can see what you people are doing. So if I'm busy making videos, what the fuck are you trying to sneak photos behind my back? So you are noted.